see how we alone. Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them not care for you for we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one. We alone, yeah. We alone, we alone.
Blessings, 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 blessings. Hope everybody are good. Me know everybody good. Everybody's supposed to good. You know? Only Chelsea not good. Oh, right now for today Saturday, all the Chelsea supporters it's not gonna be good. But we're not good still because we're not celebrate with we. You see I'm 10. We turn good Chelsea. Whoa! So right now, I don't even Jenna them go watch that video, yeah. But big up bigger. Hey! Big up bigger. Big up Chow. Big up Nandi. Who else? Big up Stepper Dan. Big up yourself. You see me? GP, although you're in the comment section, but big up yourself, same speed. Right now, we are celebrate. I celebrate an idea. We are celebrate. I remember last night, after we did on the live day, and me I tell them say, Chelsea I go dead. And them I say, Arsenal I go dead. But think about it, Chelsea dead. Chelsea dead. I say it still was a good game. I'm not gonna lie. It was a good game. Even though I wake up late, as one of the same time I tried that. Hold on there. Yeah? You go play Nyla?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm doing.
What am I doing?
Yes.
I'm recording.
Recording?
Yeah, I'm recording a video.
Video?
Yeah. Video.
Video?
Video.
Go play Dada.
Okay. So, yeah, as I said from last night, I tell them say, we go beat Chelsea. And me no want hear nobody say, oh, I chew with this. Oh, I chew with that. Oh, I chew with this. No, you no lose. You see, once you lose, you lose. There's no coming back from that they lose there. You could ever go over China. Yeah, could ever go England, go say where they say and come back. You can't come back win. You lose. You see me? Yeah. And you don't go say this and say that. Brr, about that. Brr, about that. You see me? Come again. You see me? It happened and it done. So, me get up and me catch half of the match. Like when me jump up, me I say, Jano, like, after one, boom, jump on here and me say, a 1-1. So me I say, what go on? Which is, me see the first goal, but then the penalty come back. Well, we get the penalty, you see me? Enough of them probably they say, what kind of foul that will, that's a clear penalty. And to the rules nowadays with football, that's a penalty. You see me? Boom. What all get sent off and go say only get worried about injury. All of them it's football. That's part of the game. Anybody who can't bring on pound of is supposed to be able to cover who come off at the field. So there's no excuses. Find the solution. You see me? Find solution. So it was a good game. When you see that Abba blood yang. Abba Laka Saka in the field there, but Abba, Laka should have scored still, you know. Me want Laka Z score and me want Abba getting a chick. But anyway, come out perfecto. It was a wonderful game. It was very nice. It was very, very nice. I am excited, like, whew, I am excited. So we win. I will get a line up and now I'm going to the bathroom, so I'll shave up. Cut off the mirror off of my face, look like an Arsenal supporter looking good for a winning today. Yeah, so that's the thing there. I celebrate with today. Like edibles, you eat energy, vibes, but we still celebrate. You know, say if me have about 4 more jersey, but I give us on jersey. So I like Chelsea supporter them like on the lose and something, and I think nothing now go on for them. But I go on to 2 jerseys still, you know, but I don't have enough still, so. I'm joking. No. Anyway, big up on yourself. All like Chelsea fans, them big up on yourself. Same speed. Liverpool, City, Man U, all I side them, supporter them. Big up on yourself. You see me? All now for you know, Europa League still hot. See then Chelsea get beaten over there, I think 3-0 also. If me wrong, let me know. But wanna go do over there. What did they go do over there? What did they go do over there? Anyway, now a little bit, soon check in back with them. So, as I'm saying, I'm going to get a plot up on something yesterday. See there? My sister saying I like it and thing, but I like it, you know? Different from Holy Part or something. So, I will get a line up and I'll take a picture, shoot to go give the girl so she can have it upon her thing, you see me? So, big up on yourself and we check in back with them. Look a bit! Zoom out. Yeah. So yo, remember earlier I say I go get a lineup and then jump in back with them, but is that bridging them call, you know? I went up on a little live chat. I went up on a conference call a little bit. Me and the G them from yard, you know? Cause normally when we there yard and Arsenal and Chelsea or Arsenal or Man City or whatever I play, we always, once even final, semi-final or whatever, what we normally do, we just come together, buy up all one, 2 crate of beer. We always have juice afoot and cook some food, dumpling and hockey and saltfish, them things that we not to go boss, you know, or some brown stew chicken or, you understand, you get what I mean? So that not get to happen for this year because couple of bridging them in their yard, me not did it, but the man them still make a thing go on same way, you know, because I just the vibes, that's so we always keep up the vibes. So it died the G them call me, I already did it on the phone I talk to Chelsea supporter them see we and you know. So we just did it go around so till time run up on we. And my name remember say me have a surprise for Nisha, which is she don't know nothing about it either. So just tell him say, oh, I run grown and Mario, but pick up something and come back. You see me? But then, me realize I don't have my license for me. My license in the inner the van. So Nisha end up having to drop me off over Mario them there, so I pick up my wallet, so I drop her off back. And I go up on the road. I tell him I will get something to eat because I feel hungry. So she not hungry, so she has to stay. So the surprise is me I go buy Nisha an iMac. You see me? And she deserve it, because then me kinda do it for her graduation, because for her graduation me want to buy her something, but then through the whole COVID no graduation then keep. So me tell her say me have something for her but me don't know when. So me feel like me can deal with it now. So excuse me, so I go buy her the computer today and surprise her. So me I carry with me. You see me? Come on a little journey. So the whole plan is me say, but even when I come back, me want get a couple bucks, put some like some of the Christmas in, I'd say, oh, I'm the surprise, but there's a bigger surprise. So she go grown, going at this one, and grown, going at that one, until she find the computer. So like me hope this go good, which is once my plans always go good in a Father God name. You see me? So come on, make it go do this and hope our reaction, we catch the reaction, because me go have the camera upon him right away. So hope this go good. Check in. I'm 10. And if you know on the master, Nisha go put the info in the description right now. So right now we're there at Best Buy. So I go jump in. I go jump in and see if I can grab it. The idea is I use a mentor to see and sweet about it. How you doing? Yeah. So, who do I talk to now?
So I'll send you over there and I'll try to get someone out there for you, okay?
Alright. Straight ahead here?
Sorry?
Straight here?
No, it's not the same place you found me earlier.
Okay, alright. Yeah, man, so. Let's see, some wait on it and see what I'm gonna deal with. So, they're in a Best Buy, you know. Where was it again? Where was I standing? I think I was standing over here. So guys, it's on. Yo, honestly, Mama deserve this, as I mentioned before, cause ready? Oh, okay. Like she been they use this computer for a long time, you see me, and it's just that it just start go out on her now, start slow up. Even when I they try do like my trading thing on the computer, like it start more slow. So yeah, that the motivation. So by she getting this just for sure, say like whatever she do, I go continue push her and I go did it as the support for her, for, you know, for like just motivate her, keep motivating her, know say yo, me say you like doing this and I go motivate you if you keep on doing it. You feel like a computer they demotivate you, like a push you back. Me I go get a computer will go push you forward. So she will get this and she will do what she can do. Hopefully she uses as an advantage for to say yo boy, even just the subscribers alone make me want to push forward to get this done on a big man level, because even last night I was on the live there and I see how everybody just deal with the thing on the right level, and just the motivation I get from this is just awesome. You see me? So we don't run out of one computer so we can't get to post no vlogs. So here we go. So this is it. Woo! I can't hide that from her. I can't hide it.
You can't hide it?
Yeah. I was trying to hide it at home, but it's very big. Like.
Yeah, you can't hide this.
Am I staying on this side here? Oh. Yeah, this shit's big, fam. Woo! There we go. It's ready. Yeah. Like, yo, I pit, yo, on that TV that, like, you probably know how you feel, but yo, is if it work, like, that feeling they just know, that feeling they feel good. If you know, say like, my wife needs something, and me can just go in and just buy it for her. You see me? So working, like, so now you know, like, I work, I have your money, I know, like, say yo, your family needs something and you can provide it. You see me? Because just now, like, that's a big step, but that big step there just for motivation. You see me? Motivate her, push her, you know, say yo, we there for your mama. Just go and do what they do. You see me? Because just the supporters alone show their love to the channel, and me love it. You know? And as I say, I go try find the time to see if I can do the reacting video and start off my channel on the same side. So I'm go, yo, I'm just there for that one. So right now I go just gear the run around. I go home and now I go start cut up some little something. I say I should have get some, buy some something to put with it. You know, then like not just make it dead. So you see me? I think I go buy like, I'm not come with me. Cause in a box they want write some liquor something. You see me? Yeah, like when I just come in still, okay, see if we can plan out something together. Alright? Yo, so thing work out better in our way. So well, as honest as we got everything what we want so far. So me coming back, Nisha them gang and check on liquor thing. Everybody gone, so right now it's just me and Nyla alone. There, so I go start as when I say me want have as like 3-4 box. One in a one, one in a one, one in a one. So she pull a go through and some liquor sign I like just some liquor sign, just some liquor something. Which is we go just start out it quick and show you after. But for now, I'm going to just go and cut up the box. See if I can make one box, basically. So, whew, here we go.
You guys caught our live last night. Where first of all, my hair looks really nice. Shout out to Olaplex. You guys need to get on Olaplex. I'm going to bring back my curls to life.
Nice and all the phone.
Yep.
Good.
I'll slap you on your head.
Nice to be shine.
We're here talking about the whole situation with the little girl getting banned from that school because of her dreadlocks. You guys literally just missed the whole conversation, but I'm like, let me still vlog and catch what we're talking about because I wanted to catch my dad's input on this from when you guys were asking us about it last night. So what's your input, Chef Mike?
Old time thing they might bring back, man. That's racist. That's not nice because look from Bob Marley now. Bob Marley, his stature, everything, his music, his dreadlocks is iconic.
But you have Dean and all those other artists. But we have Beanie
Garnet
Man.
Silk, is he?
But you have Beanie Man and all those other people that are artists. What are they saying about
You have
what's going
coffee
on?
coming up right now.
This is the time when Jamaican people need to be petitioning. They petition about the wrong damn thing. Stuff like this. This is a part of black people's culture. Jamaican culture at that. Right?
It's kind of shocking because considering what's happening in the States, all these kind of thing, it's like Jamaica should have said, boy, watch out. No, sir, we're not going to make that kind of vibes a retreat. Because it seems like say them take a big step back.
Yeah.
Doesn't make sense. Why you going to do that? That make me look foolish. But the same thing with that, this must, I think this isolated to one school still. But that that open the doors for other schools to deny other children who decide to flex them hairstyle, you know?
I think Ziggy was saying with his high school, but I don't know if it was his high school specifically, but they weren't fond of like the kids coming to school with dreadlocks because they would hide weapon in their dread. But I'm like, there's other places where you can hide weapon. Look how much fight and kids get killed on campus, and half of those kids weren't even in dread. I think they're just trying to find an excuse, but it's a really sad situation. She's only 5 years old, guys. 5.
It's stupidness. So that means if a white Caucasian teacher that has her hair dread and come to Jamaica and decide to teach, are they gonna kick her out? Right? There's so much, even white people nowadays, they're dreading their hair. That's a part of our culture that they come and see and love. And we as black people, that's part of our heritage, something that's supposed to be kept.
I know.
Right? And you have other people coming to our country and taking these things and make it into fashion, and it's being accepted, and yet we're trying to ban it. You guys are going back into slavery days. That's pretty much
I feel
it.
so them judge maybe the daughter or son a date some Rasta guy and some kind of vendetta thing a go on. Because that doesn't make sense. I don't see how them bigger heads here. Because you know, say them are some people who in power and some of the most dunces some of them.
What?
Yeah.
They need to be out of power.
I mean, are the most dunces some of them now have no kind of human reality kind of sense thing. They know if you read
power.
book and do this and do that,
Yeah.
but when it comes to emotional and sensitive thing,
them need to come out, man.
everything them I try. Them don't know if you say boy watch them, I know say the book say this and the book say that, but them now make the thing
New era. Let's
go
change.
on. The thing them a go on some old time
Yeah.
It's
British law thing them a run with.
Yeah.
Of course
He
it
that
is.
thing that man.
Of course it is, but even look at the crime. Like if for like somebody kills somebody in Jamaica, they go from like way 1970, 1950s. That's what they're using. They have not changed any of the law. None of the laws has been updated. And that's something that they need to do, because a man can kill somebody and maybe spend maybe 1-2 years in jail. And that was like back, remember they had something on the news, I think like a couple months ago about that guy.
If you on a Rasta, them put you they make you the 1-2 year. Make you turn Rasta so long, then put you
Right?
in jail.
And he was charged with something, some violation law. But the law that they were looking into, it was like from the 1950s law, and they're like, no, we need to update the law, because if it was today's date and he got charged, the fine should have been way more. I don't know if it was like a ticket fine or something like that he had for how much years ago.
That's why
and it was
most
like
of the
only like $1,000 he ended up paying.
That's why at
But
the
they
time
need
when
to
they
change things.
busted those big scammers, why do you think they didn't do time in Jamaica? They went to the States to do time because they know they're gonna get the time for what they're doing.
They're gonna get the times. Jamaica focus, the government, they need to make change. And this is why, like, I find when people are out there rallying and this and that, they need to rally for proper change. Yet they want to be like the US because them love the US style, but at the same time they won't make certain change to make things happen. You can't have it
still,
one-sided.
you know, baby.
It go like this. It go like this. You see, Jamaica and them little islands and stuff. Yes, but there's a bigger influence on all of that.
Yeah, because the Queen still everything.
We're not even
still
talking
has to
about
go
she.
by
We're not talking about
It
she.
still has
That
to go
don't
by
be there
them,
already
so they're
because
still on a
the
hold.
money thing she's still a part of it. So
Of
I think
course.
somewhere up there in Switzerland they print the money anyway. But anyway, what me I talk about is
They
it's the
still
US.
hold it.
Not even US I run US, you know. Not even the people you see on top of pedestal over there, so. None of them I run the thing.
No,
There's
people
always
that
a
are
bigger
high
head.
heads.
There's
Yeah,
always
yeah.
a bigger heads.
There's
And
bigger
rules
heads.
have to make and them rules they have to follow. But we as the money are educate we youth them, we have to be smart with the thing too. You understand? We have to be smart with that. We're not smart with it. We put up some whole heap of little foolishness this man. What she say now, say me I drive here so now me go over the speed limit by 20. Me I get a ticket for about $200. And my income for the year is some little bit of money. Now one rich man now I go over the speed limit for him ticket as same as for me one. Him I got pay that like say
It's
nothing.
baby food, yeah.
So you see that now what me I say them for do or something like that? Give me ticket according to him taxes. When him tax last year. That will make people stop do some little foolishness. Why we jump off of the Rasta?
I know.
No, man. There's so much things. There's a lot of things that need to be changed. And about the bigger heads, yes, there's always. Because you look on Trump. Trump look like him know some of the bigger heads. You know, so you know how certain things, as a president, no other president could come and do, and he's able to do certain things. So him kind of know some of the bigger heads. Them way above the presidency, where pretty much they run the world. But you know, a lot of people they don't do research, so they will never know. You know, everybody just think, and it's just like when you look. I look at Jamaica and all the other islands, them where they always talk about they're free, but typically you're not free.
Free what?
You're free in a sense. That
Free
you
what?
think you're free because when you look at it, what's going on in Jamaica right now with just minimum wage is modern
I
day
eat that
slavery.
thing that $6 a week.
Modern day slavery.
Oh, like I mean,
What we
that's
make in a day, they make
terrible.
in like 2 weeks sometime. It's really sad.
That's
sad.
terrible. How could somebody live off of $6,000?
And
then-
grocery alone, like
Well, that's
a pound of
alone.
chicken hour.
Alone.
About what? Couple $100?
like 120. I think we used to sell it.
It's
For.
just like in ideas when the slave them rally because they didn't want to be slave anymore. They wanted to be free. This is where everybody in Jamaica need to come together and start saying they're not gonna put up with that shit. All that little bit of money, they need to raise it, right?
So what am I gonna do?
What if the whole rotten country strike? What are they supposed to do? You
What-
think they're gonna force everybody to go back to work?
What am I gonna do?
Whatever going on, that's why they have to get up off of them ass and learn to farm and stop depending on the food over here where then they stuff up then they blow up and put all these type of injection and this is
What am
why
I get land for farm?
Because even the captured lands, like they sell those.
Then if you burn on your cane field them and take it.
Yeah.
That them fi do and plant it up. Seriously, there must some whole heap of land there, some look at heat that thing. People can't stop them sugar man.
my gosh.
Yep.
All that nice land where people are each up on rock stone like them a goat. Seriously.
Little Italy.
One man own all of the place, the good place.
Yeah.
How that for go on?
Well, they should go knock on his door. He still lives down there, living nice and wealthy. I in a Portland and live.
What him name
Not
again?
saying any names.
Only
Do your research.
Only for them still.
No, but there's one of them. He's the most wealthiest man in Jamaica.
Well,
and
yes.
he was there, his
Poor.
ancestors and stuff, they own
But
slave.
him
And
look
they were
black?
there from look black way.
That
No,
me I say, him not black.
he's
Black
not
what?
black, he's white.
Move him, chop. They forget do the South African thing, you know. One time the man them
He's
get rid
white.
of all them little man from down in South Africa, them Bex, so they don't like we, you know. Different story that then. Very much so different.
See, my dad needs to. When we're having our reasoning Fridays, he needs to come, but he want to hitch up in his room.
Afrikaners. Google it.
Anyways, so we literally jump from one topic to a next to a next to a next, but it's really important for you guys to do your research out there.
Yeah.
Really important, man. And a lot of people, you know what sucks in Jamaica? They don't know their rights. A lot of Jamaicans don't know their rights.
because some of them don't care to learn. That's the problem. And
They just want to sit down and sue people business.
Me a green party, me a orange party, and the green and orange
But
party,
take this
they're
in.
sitting there and eating and laughing.
But
at
most
the
of them
smaller people.
only support the green or the orange because family. Because I've asked people, I'm like, why do you support PMP or why do you support JLP?
That's
Oh,
why
because
people
my
like
dad
people.
did it. But I'm like,
What?
no, like.
What have they done for you? Have they built roads? Have you seen them build any new schools, new hospitals? Give you guys water in
we
your
reach back here
community?
quick.
None of that shit. Oh God, don't even get me started with that. That
You know why?
alone,
You
it
know why
makes me heated
people
when
don't
I
like
see
people? People don't like people
Because of people?
because of people.
It's true though.
People don't like people because of people. You go grow up and then your mother don't like Miss Gwen who live over there, so
Because
you're
of
not
the
gonna talk
green.
to Miss
You
Gwen.
can't wear green or orange.
See, until you grow up and know yourself, you're gonna find out that you Miss Gwen used to wear green shirt all the time and you wear orange shirt.
Exactly.
You're gonna say, but wait, I hear that thing that. But anyways, Miss Gwen now, film good yam down for you little flowers over there. So now you're Miss Gwen now talk. Me bex with Miss Gwen. Then time I grow up, me say, but mommy, I that you did bex with Miss Gwen for 20 odd years. Me not talk to Miss Gwen. You go up the yam down the flowers. People make people not like people, man. Now religion too.
It's called small.
But we're not going to religion.
Small-minded. Like people need to get out of that mentality. If you sit there, there's so much things on the internet nowadays.
In the box, they live in a.
Right? You can't live in the box. Open up your mind. They open up their mind to things that they want to open up their mind to.
Like people
You know,
business.
thing that
Right?
people
Yeah,
who,
people
are
business.
people who
Definitely.
yes.
What?
Are people who open up their mind.
People so and who they sleep with who from who not sleep with who and who for pitney and who for pitney and
Who for
for-
Jackie shorter than the
Yes.
next man.
Wow. Definitely, they know that to the book. But ask them anything when it comes to like things that them supposed to know. They tell them, oh, me not
It come
know,
like
me
in
not
time
even
they
know
look
that.
at you there sing them big old song there you them don't know mathematics. They don't remember them thing there, but they can sing some song like what?
No, it's so true though. It's so true. But anyways, guys, we were on the road, went on a little road trip, and we're back home. If I leave this on, Shana and my dad will probably go. They could see, they're made to do like their own little talk thing because they won't
No,
go
I get
and
my
go.
own little thing cause me love chat. And she not invent for my thing because
No,
she
that's
say,
not
true.
That's no. Because Reasoning Friday was me, you, and Ziggy, and then it was supposed to be you and Ziggy, and then you're just busy. He's just too busy for me right now. But it's okay, we'll feature him. But anyways, we're heading back home right now, so yeah.
You want to hear a story?
What?
They're on the highway one time.
Yeah, that's cool.
They're on the highway, I come from work. So I see one motorbike fly past me. Fly past me, seeing, but I see one G-string kind of vibe. I say, blood, that girl that ride a bike, man. Wicked, you know? So I say, 100 odd me are going, you know, keep catch up to her. The same time I catch up to her now, and I look over, so, blood, clean at him. At him.
Oh, God.
You want to see me just slow down easy, him just go out.
Oh, God.
Yeah, you see, it's so easy to catch a man.
I know.
Yeah, see two body John G-string and you think a woman. You see, you would have get a speeding ticket there now, you know. Now, what would have done you the most? You get a speeding ticket knowing that you just drive up because you see two body John G-string.
Me never see no body jar.
No, you see
I never see the jar, me see the string. And the body they look plumpy too.
Oh,
Why?
Yo, the thing they look plumpy, man. I name me one night truck still, you know, so nobody feel say I work me I come from, we buy a night truck, say catch up
I'm
the
so
blood,
dead.
it and look over, so it's a dude.
oh God.
It's a
Well,
him.
plastic surgery nowadays does wonders. You
But me
never
can't-
know.
Me can't read them back there, me see them I be, you know. But, oh, no sir, I not see baggy sitting there, you know. Me not even like seeing woman have them sitting there. Woman not for wear them thing them. Better them not wear nothing.
Oh, God.
What you say about that?
Oh, yeah, Mario's in the car, guys.
Yeah, them topic are too big for me, no, man. Give me a picture up one side.
Literally, though. So we have to get a Hennessy again for you to talk. Mario. To get a Hennessy to talk. Malta.
Me see you, see?
No, man, you have to show everybody.
Oh, my God.
Go. I made that box though.
Did you really?
Yeah, I was trying to be a bit creative.
You really are?
Yeah.
No, this is actually for you guys. We showed them the box.
Yo, I know what kind of box too. Look what kind of box.
Ziggy? Why are you stepping back? Stop. Where's the scissors?
You don't want no scissors. Oh. Scissors. Yeah.
Let me shake it just in case it's something to kill me. Or like even jump out.
What?
I mean jump out. I mean jump out.
Sometimes.
Don't jump.
One more craft dinner.
Congratulations, you've been working very hard, so I just wanted to say you're the best. I wish I was the big surprise, but I'm just a small part of it. I'm just a small part. Go look under the table downstairs.
Are you coming, Keisha?
Oh, crap, fine.
What the heck?
Dim, 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 dim. Wow. This is funny.
I leave the house and this is what you do?
Yeah.
And to think these little boys want me to settle their dry texting and stuff.
Go under this table?
Yeah, but you have to go up on your knee. Get on your knees.
So dead. Chocolate.
Pa-da-da-dum. Pum. I like your shirt.
Thanks. Shout out to Lovely Wholesale for the shirt. You have me nervous. Did you wrap this too?
Yeah.
Jeez.
Just cut it.
God, you're not wrapping Nella's gifts this year. What that stress? Thank God you found me. Congratulations. Congratulations. I'm just here to sweeten up your day. Open me and take a bite when you're finished. Look under your computer. I have to actually eat one?
Yeah.
Yo. You should just come like a movie. So I have to go back upstairs?
Yep.
Huh?
No, you have to eat it first.
Oh, sorry.
Crap.
There's something in the middle, so don't swallow it.
What? How? If it's it's my favorite chocolate, guys.
But you have to eat it, like finish eating it.
Seriously? Ow, I almost bit my tongue.
All right.
Walk upstairs.
Okay,
Yeah,
let's go.
You can sit down.
Do-do-do-dum. No, stay back, stay back. Do-do-do-do. A joke, come on. Let's go. Are you? Yo, don't do that, my youth. Like you want to ruin a surprise. Do-do-do-dum. Dim. Do-do-do-dum.
This mine too?
Dim. No. Come. Do-do-do-dum.
Look under the computer?
Yeah.
Aw, that's so cute. Just know I'll be here for you no matter what. Oh, it's a graduation.
Yeah.
Congrats. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, thank you. Celebrating you and all your wonderful accomplishments. Love you, baby girl.
Do-do-dum. Dim. Do-do-do-dum.
Scratch me, please.
Yeah.
Hopefully I can make 100,000. Hopefully I can make you 100,000 richer. When you're finished scratching, look behind the door. I have to scratch it right now?
Yeah, you have to scratch it. You're gonna, you don't know if you follow instruction. Bum bum. You just fall asleep. What's up?
I never played this before. What do I do?
Huh?
I never played this before. What do I
Just scratch the numbers at the top.
do? This?
Yeah, all of them. Yeah, scratch it with the subscriber then too.
And then what?
And then see if you get any of these numbers
scratch all
in
of this?
all of that.
Scratch it?
I'll look for your number then. Yo, tell me if you don't see if she win already.
Did I? Nope.
You have to scratch your bottom them and just scratch your top of your number them.
Just to show you guys how I don't use these scratch ticket things. She just fell asleep?
Yeah.
Oh, she's not sleeping tonight. I have the app on my phone. I can check if I want. I don't think I did.
You make it funny by just looking for the numbers.
Okay, 32. No. 18. No.
So you're a loser.
10. Did you do the thing and look for the...
I don't know what to look for.
Up here, it has like a white line.
Okay.
Supposed to win right
Nothing?
now. Supposed to be good right now.
That man say.
I'm gonna double check on my phone. Remember last time Mario Tiki did this?
I guess you didn't win anything.
It's okay. Not gonna win all the time. Okay.
I promise Mario scratch again. I guess that's it. Or check it on your phone. Anyway.
Yeah, my phone.
Anyway, so what else do you do now?
I said look behind the door.
Okay. Go.
That door?
Look. It's there.
This?
Yeah.
You're so lying. No, I only showed up my closet. No.
It's
After
not
you
there?
were the one who messed up everything
Okay.
in there.
You're still a winner.
Huh?
Just one.
Banger. That's a banger.
Good job, I was drooling. Oh my god.
Surprise. Surprise.
Why am I shaking? Make sure something in there because I know Ziggy.
Where's
Right.
the box from?
I don't know. Oh my god.
So open just to see.
Remember the vlog when I was like, something just fall from the sky?
Well, that one just fall from the door.
Yeah. You know how long I've been trying to get one of these? This is huge.
Well, it's not that huge.
But still, I don't care.
Is it?
Is it what?
Is it the computer?
Can you imagine? You ought to be so cheese. Stop.
Why? There you go. Yeah? Yeah?
Oh my god. So you have to help me
They
set it
both,
up.
they just slice
I don't
from the
know
middle,
how
they
to-
slice from the middle.
Like lift it?
Someone can hold the bottom and then you pull off the top.
I don't even know how to.
So y'all, didn't really get to, this is like a couple days after, like a lot of days passed, but this is my new computer. I'm so in love, guys. I literally edit a video so fast. It's crazy like how fast this computer moved. The memory on this is amazing. I'm so happy, you guys. You don't even understand. Like that was definitely a big huge surprise. Big up yourself, Ziggy. Yo, he just always has his way of surprising me and throwing me off. But yo, the one thing I can say, it's really amazing to have someone by your side who motivates you, pushes you, believes in you, and just always encouraging you. It's a great feeling. The one thing I can always say is that we're always pushing each other, and when you're in a relationship, that's very important. Always be there for your partner, support them through their dreams, and just be there for each other. So this is my new computer. I'm so excited. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Big up your guys' self. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you guys love this vlog. Subscribe to Newbie Fam channel and hit that notification bell so you guys are notified when I repost a vlog. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Ayo, so I just want to send a big shout out to The Right Fit, their family here on YouTube. Want you guys to go over to their channel and subscribe, show some love. I've said this many times before. In order to grow, we gotta support each other, support black families on YouTube, guys. Like the other day, Nala was watching she watches like YouTube videos, YouTube kids videos, and I'm like, most of the family channel that she'll watch, they're not even black kids. Like it's crazy. And there's one that she came across and she will watch it over and over. But yo, we need to support each other more. We need to support each other more in order to grow. So I want you guys to go over to their channel. Their videos are good. I was watching some last night. Make sure you subscribe to their channel, hit the notification bell on their channel, comment on their video and let them know that Newbie Fam sent you guys over there. And yeah, join their family. Let's help them grow, hit that 2K. They're so close to 2K. So yeah, I'm out.